In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Collaborator code in Shopify. This code is a simple 4-digit number that lets trusted partners like developers or support teams request access to your store in a safe and controlled way. You stay in charge because any request that uses this code still has to be reviewed and approved by you before anyone gets access. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a button or link labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new page with a menu running down the left-hand side. These are all the different settings areas for your store. In that left-hand panel, look for the section labeled Users. Depending on your Shopify layout, it might be called something like Users and Permissions, but it will always mention Users. Click on that option. When you do, more options will appear underneath it. From those options, choose Security. After clicking Security, you'll be taken to a page with a few different sections. Focus on the second section on this page, which is labeled Collaborators. This is where Shopify manages access for external partners. In this Collaborator section, scroll if needed until you see your store's name. At the bottom of that section, next to your store name, you'll find your Collaborator code. It's a 4-digit number displayed to the right. This is the code you share with someone who needs Collaborator access. To make things easier, Shopify lets you copy this code directly. Simply click on the 4-digit number and it will be copied to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into an email, a chat message, or wherever you're communicating with the person or team requesting access. When they use that Collaborator code to send you a request, remember that nothing happens automatically. You'll still receive a request inside your Shopify admin, and you'll need to review and approve it before they can access your store. This gives you one more layer of security and control over who can work on your shop. And that's it. By following these steps, you now know exactly where to find your Shopify Collaborator code, how to copy it, and how it fits into the process of safely granting Collaborator access to your store.